bring the fragrance and warmth into your heart. The sense of smell always prefers roses more. Smell, as a sensory medium, across time and space. Let us retrieve the shining moments in our memories. So, I remembered a colorful dream. The grassland in the sunshine. Green tea fields. Gentle sea breeze. And this Victoria Rose fragrance, laundry beads, will diffuse the pollution-free natural fragrance and spread freely and romantically at home. Let the memory slowly open in healing. On my nose, with a fresh citrus aroma and the coldness of roses, dancing gracefully, the fragrance builds a grand garden. The scent-wearing ceremony in our daily lives. And meet yourself again in the fragrance. Perhaps we don't have to wait. The next spring is right here.